Hello friends, so here in this problem we have to find out the value of sec 220 degree upon cos of 580 degree minus tan of 940 degree upon cot of 220 degree without using the calculator and the log table. Now the question arises how to find out the value of such big angles without using calculator and log table. So it's very simple. We are gonna follow the two-step process, and by using those two steps we can get the value of any angle for any trigonometric function. So the step number 1 is identifying the quadrant for that particular angle, and the second step is identifying sine of that particular trigonometric function. So to do that we have to represent the given angles in the form of or in the multiple of pi by 2, that is the multiple of 90 degree. So let's represent it. So here we have 220 degree. So if I'll represent it in multiple of 90 degree, then we know that 2 times 90 degree is 180 degree. So here I'll write 2 times 90 degree is 180, and in that if we will add 40 degree, then that will become 220 degree upon cos. Now here we have 580 degree. So we know that 90 degree into 6 is 540 degree. So 6 times 90 degree is 540, but we want 580. So I will add more 40 degree in this, minus tan of 940 degree. So we know that 90 degree into 10 is 900 degree. So I'll say tan of 10 pi by 2 or 10 into 90, that is 900 plus 40 degree is equal to 940 degree, and the last value, that is cot of 220 degree. And guys, we have already got 220 degree here for sec, so I'll copy it down as it is, which is 2 pi by 2 plus 40 degree. Now let's divide that number with 2 in the denominator. 2 ones are 2, so we will get sec of pi plus 40 degree upon cos of 2 3s are 6, 3 pi plus 40 degree minus tan of 2 5s are 10, so 5 pi plus 40 degree upon cot of 2 to cancel pi plus 40 degree. And now we will follow our two steps. So in first step we will identify the quadrant and then we will identify the sine. Now guys, let's start with sec pi plus 40 degree. So according to quadrant system, if we will see, then this pi is in the format of n pi plus theta. So we have pi plus 40 degree, so it means 40 degree is my theta. So whenever we have n pi plus theta format, that time sine remains sine or cos remains cos, and therefore the sec will remain sec. So it means we are gonna get sec of 40 degree in the answer. Now let's identify the quadrant and then the sine. So what is the quadrant of pi plus 40 degree? So we know that pi comes on the negative direction of x-axis, and if we add 40 degree in that, so it will come in the third quadrant. So that angle is coming in the third quadrant. Now let's identify the sine. So in the third quadrant, tan is positive, cot is positive. Here we have sec, so sec is negative in the third quadrant, so we will take minus of sec 40 degree upon cos of 3 pi plus 40 degree. So this is in the form of n pi plus or minus theta. So we have 3 pi plus 40 degree. So cos remains cos in such format. So here we will get cos of 40 degree. Now let's identify quadrant and sine. So 3 pi comes on the negative direction of x-axis. So plus 40 degree means this angle will also go in the third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, but we have cos and cos is negative. Next, minus, here we have tan of 5 pi plus 40 degree. So it is again in the format of n pi plus theta. So because of that, this tan will remain tan, and we have angle as 40 degree. Now let's identify the quadrant and sine. So 5 pi plus 40 degree. So 5 pi again comes on the negative direction of x-axis, plus 40 degree means angle will go in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant tan is positive, and we also have tan, so that will be positive as it is. And last one is cot pi plus 40 degree. So it is in the form of n pi plus theta. So cot will remain cot of 40 degree, that is theta. Now here let's see the quadrant and sine. So pi plus 40 degree, pi comes on the negative direction of x-axis, plus 40 degree, again third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive and cot is positive, so cot is positive, I will keep it as it is. So we got the values. Now let's solve it. So negative and negative will become positive. So we have sec of 40 degree, so I can say that it is positive sec of 40 degree upon cos of 40 degree minus tan of 40 degree upon cot of 40 degree. Now we have to solve it and get the value. So how to get the value? So here if you will see, then we have a formula of 1 upon cos theta, and we know that 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. So this will become sec 40 degree as it is, and 1 upon cos, I can say it is also sec of 40 degree minus tan of 40 degree as it is, and we have 1 upon cot, which is again tan of 40 degree. So guys, here I am not using the table, because in table we never find the value for 40 degree. So we can find value of 30 degree from table or 45 degree from table, but this angle is odd, which is not present in the table, hence I am using some trigonometric formulas to get the answer. So here we got the formula of sec square theta minus tan square theta. So here theta is same, that is 40 degree, and we have seen that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So therefore 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So guys, we are getting the same format over here, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta, and we know that its value is equal to 1 by identity, and therefore the value of our function is equal to 1. Thank you.